Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and today we're checking out a new monitor from AOC. So if we look down the right hand side, you can see its model number, which is AOC C27G1. It is a gaming monitor and it is from their G1 series of gaming, where you can expand your world. It says down there to the bottom left hand corner. Then underneath that model number you do actually have some key details about this monitor. So first of all, it's a curved monitor and gives you a curved display with 1800R, and the R stands for radius, and that is the measurement of the curve. It has AMD FreeSync technology, so this is where it's compatible with your GPU and will try and pair the best options for your gaming ability. You have a wide viewing angle, and this has a VA panel inside. It offers 144Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and that's MPRT. So that's the more in-depth testing version instead of grey to grey. It also has game colour from AOC. So it's a 27-inch display, and what we're going to do now is get it unboxed and actually set it up and take a look with it connected to my devices that I will have. So currently that's a MacBook Pro, and also it'll be Xbox One X and PS4 Pro. I am planning to build a gaming PC to really test out these monitors and put them to its full limits. Looking forward to making a computer together on the channel during the summertime. If we take a look down the side, again it just lists all them key details that I've gone through. Lifting the front flap of our monitor, you're going to see first of all on the right hand side instructions and details how to remove your monitor safely so you don't damage yourself or the monitor. On the left hand side you can then see it being connected to your desktop PC. Inside the box you're going to find the following content. So we've got our column here with our plate to connect into our monitor. You have your base stand as well, and we're going to connect that up in a second. You have a HDMI to HDMI cable. You have a DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, and then a UK 3-pin plug here. You also receive a CD that's going to have manuals and drivers on there, and there's a little bit of literature there from AOC. So to connect your column and your stand, first of all, so you can see you've got teeth there that you need to connect then into your column. So simply just going to line them up. And on the bottom, you're going to find a locking nut. So on the bottom, you're going to find a locking nut that you can either use with a screwdriver, or you can just twist in yourself actually with the little grip it has here. So talking about grip, you'll notice rubberized feet here all along this metal base plate, so you don't damage your desk, but the monitor stays very sturdy. So make sure that's locked up. So there we go. Our column and stand is now ready. You see cable management option there as well through the middle, and also you do have height adjustment. What we're going to do is get the display out and take a look at our display. So with our monitor now out, what you can see is your connection ports here. So you have two HDMIs, you have your display port, you also have a VGA, and you've got to also remember some cables may come in your box that you didn't see in mine. As this is a press unit and it makes the trips around to other product creators, it just sometimes loses cables, but you might get extra cables in yours. Then also you do have a headphone jack, then you've got your power connection here, and then also you have your button control system down here at the bottom. So very minute buttons just underneath there. I do actually prefer a joystick control stick system, but the buttons are okay, they're quite tactile, but I prefer a joystick system. Also, you do have a Kensington lock here if you want to lock down your monitor and keep it protected during your gaming sessions if you so want to. But locking in the actual stand is quite simple and quite easy. You'll notice on top of your stand two teeth here, and what they need to do is go in first at the top of this mount here. So with it being a mount, it does mean it will be better mounted. So put the two top teeth in, then bring them bottom two down, and make sure that's securely in. There is a release button here just underneath, so if you press that, it will release it, but just press down again to make sure it's in. And again, so our monitor is all set up and ready to go here, and I've got a Watch Dogs Legion trailer going on here, as I think this is one of my most favourite games that I saw from E3 this year. It is running on the Xbox One X and it seems to be working well. So one thing about this monitor that I didn't say when we was actually going through the key features, it is only full HD resolution though, so it's not high resolution 4K, but it is full HD resolution. This monitor also offers flicker-free technology, so that means your eyes are not going to get fatigued or hurt if you suffer from this flickering in the display. It also has the AMD FreeSync technology that will work with a desktop PC GPU, talk to each other and give you the best performance on your monitor. Like I said as well, it has 144Hz refresh rates, which is really high end, and obviously that will be through more a gaming PC than what we would see on the Xbox One X here. As you can see, you've got three-sided minimal bezels, which is really good, and I think that makes it less distracting to your content that you are seeing on the screen here, and you are drawn into your content because of that curvature. That curvature pulls you in, and then it's so enjoyable to actually use all the time. So currently this monitor is available on Amazon UK, and I will put the link in description, and currently it's about £250. So you're getting a lot of good spec and a lot of high-end sort of specs in there, but for quite a low cost. So let me know what you think down below. If you do have any questions or any queries, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. This has been the unboxing and setup and first little look at the AOC gaming monitor here, model number C27G1. And obviously links will be in the description to the review and some gaming as well that we're going to be doing on here.